Everyone thinks they know how the YouTube algorithm works. They've heard the same cliches 100 times, just post consistently, make great thumbnails, find your niche. But here's the truth. In 2025, the YouTube algorithm is no longer a simple set of rules you can follow, like a recipe. It's more like a living, breathing organism constantly learning, evolving, and testing your every move. And if you're still using 2021's or even 2023's strategies, you're invisible. This isn't about hacks. It's about understanding how YouTube now thinks and, more importantly, what it feels. Yes, I said feels. Because in 2025, YouTube's AI isn't just analyzing data points, it's predicting human behavior with scary accuracy. Let's start with the most important shift. The algorithm now follows people, not videos. Back in the old days, your video had to fight to get into the recommended feed. It was all about click-through rates and watch time on that one video. But now, YouTube's goal is to keep a person glued to the platform for as long as possible, whether they're re-watching you or someone else. What does that mean for you? It means if YouTube notices that someone watches you and stays on the platform afterwards, your videos get boosted. But if someone clicks your video, watches 2 minutes, and then closes YouTube altogether, that's a red flag. 8. It's called session value, and in 2025, it's one of the most powerful signals. Your job isn't just to get clicks. It's to hand off the viewer to the next video seamlessly. Think of it like passing a baton in a relay race. If you drop it, YouTube notices. Now let's talk about the personality boost. This is the second big change in 2025. YouTube's recommendation system is leaning harder into creator identities, scanning your tone, your language, even your energy to figure out which viewer tribes will love you. So, if you're generic, bland, and trying to please everyone, the AI doesn't know where to put you. But if you're unapologetically you loud, weird, niche, opinionated, YouTube can lock onto your signal and beam it to exactly the right crowd. It's no longer about what you say, it's about how you say it. 2 channels can make the exact same video about how to grow tomatoes, but the one with a strong, distinct personality will get pushed harder. Why? Because the AI predicts that loyal followers of that creator will watch more videos long term. It's thinking like a talent scout. Third shift. The first 90 seconds rule is now non-negotiable. In 2023, you had maybe 30 seconds to hook someone. Now, YouTube's AI measures the entire opening phase of your video up to 90 seconds to decide if it's worth the push. It's tracking microsignals, viewer eye movement, audio changes, pauses in speech, even how often people rewind in those first moments. If the AI senses boredom, hesitation, or confusion in the audience, it throttles you instantly. This is why some creators see their video explode in the first 24 hours, while others get buried right after uploading. The algorithm isn't testing your video for days anymore. It's making high-stakes decisions in the first few hours. 2025's advice. Your first 90 seconds should feel like the best 90 seconds you've ever made. Stack them with curiosity, movement, and tension. Now, here is the part almost no one talks about. YouTube is now watching you as much as your audience. Your upload frequency, your responsiveness in comments, your community posts, all of it is tracked. Not because the platform likes busy creators, but because active channels help YouTube's prediction models stay accurate. If you disappear for a month without posting, the AI starts losing confidence in you. And once that happens, you re-like a driver who's been dropped off the highway. You've got to fight to merge back in. Let's go deeper into the machine's brain. In 2025, retention quality has replaced raw watch time. That means YouTube cares more about how people watch your video than just how long. If someone watches your video while fully engaged, volume up, captions on, no multitasking, YouTube considers that high-quality retention. If they're half watching while browsing another tab or skipping around, that's low-quality retention. 2 videos could have the same average watch time, but one will skyrocket and the other will sink based on these invisible engagement scores. And here's the crazy part. YouTube doesn't just rely on the video itself. It cross-checks how different types of people watch it. If your video hooks hardcore fans but loses casual viewers instantly, the AI will tag it as niche appeal and limit your reach. But if it engages both loyal subscribers and random newcomers, you get mass distribution. This is why clickbait in 2025 is a trap. Yes, You might trick people into clicking, but if the viewing experience isn't satisfying, the algorithm will pull you back faster than ever. YouTube is now smart enough to see the gap between the promise of your title thumbnail and the reality of your content. It's running sentiment analysis on your comments section, comparing like-to dislike ratios, and even checking if viewers search for something else right after watching you. Another massive update: cross-device learning. The algorithm now connects your viewer behavior across TV, mobile, and desktop like never before. It knows if someone started your video on their phone during lunch, then finished it on their smart TV at night. And those cross-device completions are like gold to the system. It signals deep commitment. So in 2025, optimizing for mobile only is a mistake. Your visuals, pacing, and structure need to work on all screens. Because YouTube is rewarding creators whose content travels with the viewer. But perhaps the most brutal change is competitive acceleration. When your video starts to do well, YouTube instantly checks if there are other videos in the same niche that could outperform it. If your competitors are getting better engagement at the same time, your momentum can be stolen mid-flight. It's ruthless, but it means you have to play both offense and defense. Release strong, and be ready to respond with another video fast if one starts to take off. Now, you're probably wondering, with all these moving parts, how do you actually grow fast in 2025? Here's the distilled no-fluff playbook. 1. Treat every upload like a chain reaction. Don't just think, will they click? Think, what will they watch after this? If you can lead people deeper into a playlist or another video, you're feeding YouTube's session time obsession. 2. Build a recognizable creator signature. From your intro style to your phrasing, make it so that within 10 seconds, someone knows you made this. That's how the AI learns your viewer tribe. 3. Engineer the first 90 seconds. Remove anything slow, over-explained, or self-indulgent. Ask yourself, would I keep watching if I didn't know me? Optimize for engagement, not just views. Replies to comments, community posts, polls, they all tell the algorithm your audience is alive. 5. Think multi-screen. Test your videos on phone, laptop, and TV. If it's too text-heavy for mobile or too slow for TV, you're losing unseen points. 6. Upload like you mean it. Breaks kill momentum in 2025. If you need a gap, use shorts, polls, or live streams to keep your channel warm. But here it's the most important mindset shift. You are not playing against the algorithm, you are collaborating with it. Think of YouTube as a hyper-intelligent partner who only wants one thing: to keep viewers happy and watching. If you can make its job easier, it will make your job easier. If you fight it, ignore it, or try to cheat it, you will lose. In 2025, YouTube's algorithm isn't looking for uploaders. It's looking for entertainers, educators, storytellers, and community builders. People who create experiences viewers can't get anywhere else. So if you want to grow fast this year, stop obsessing over the numbers for a second. Start obsessing over the moments, the first gasp, the unexpected laugh, the hook that keeps them hanging on until the very end. Because the algorithm in 2025 isn't just counting views, it's counting hearts and minds, and the ones who understand that. They're the ones who won't just grow, they'll dominate.